everyone. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you very much for tuning in. So today we have, as usual, some math puzzles, logical reasoning questions, and so many other things that we can use to exercise our brain and sharpen our memory as well. Thank you so much for joining. Um, so let's start. Sure, to both of you, Makam. So let's start. In the first question, we have that a plus 2 equal to 3. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 as well. We have 3 plus 4 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 5. So we are asked to find 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to what? So, as usual, you know how we do it. Chenzi, thank you for joining. You are welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Okay. So, let's go. Let us go. Let's find the missing number. Let's find the missing number. Let's find the missing number. Let us go, let us go, let us go. Let us go. Okay. So, all right. Jonah says it's 7. All right. You all remember our rules. Don't tell us how you got the answer. And because by so doing, others will not have the opportunity to think this through by themselves. Okay. So just solve it and tell us what you got. So I have, Jonah says the answer is 7. Any more answer? More answers, please. And please don't spam. Yeah. Like, don't write the same thing over and over again. One of it is okay. If you want to drop an answer, just drop your answer. You can write every other thing in the comments, on the comment, but please don't repeat your sentences or figures to avoid spamming. Thank you. All right. Chelsea says 7. I did not copy, just to be clear. Okay, there's no problem. All right, so let us go. What is the answer? If 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 as well. Now, what is 6 plus 7? What is 6 plus 7? What is 6 plus 7? So let's go, friends. Let us go. 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 More answers. So just to be clear, 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 3. Now what is 6 plus 7? What is 6 plus 7? Okay. Now, I had an exam and he gave me some kind of shape with missing numbers, just like you do. Are you serious? So Chenzi, tell me, did you get the answer? Okay, your result is not out yet. I believe you will get it right because we've been doing this for a while. All right, being 67, then I saying it's 10. Jonah, why did you change your mind? I know you said 7 earlier. Okay, so let's do this and move to another question. Let us do this and move to another question. Now, we have 6, 7 Mary. So we have Israel Chenzi. I'm here now. So the truth is this. We have 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is the basic. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. And 5 minus these 2 will give us 3. Okay? Now we have 6 plus 7 is equal to what? 13. But you guys skipped something. I know most of you will make that mistake. All right? Do you know why? Because we have 2. We have to have 1, 2. We're supposed to have 3. We're supposed to have 3 plus 4. We have 4 plus 5. We have 5 plus 6 before we have 6 plus 7. So you're supposed to put all this into consideration before you write your final answer. All right. So let us try to see if we are still going to get 7 anyways. So we have 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. It seems they keep repeating this one. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay. Then 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 minus 6 is still 7. Okay, nice one. No, you are right. The final answer is still 7. Though I don't know the pattern you used, but kudos. Nice one. All right, now another question. And this one is interesting. It says, if there are 4 apples, if there are 4 apples, if there are 4 apples, and you take away 3, and you take away 3, and you take away 3. The question says, how many do you have? How many do you have? How many do you have? That is the question. How many do you have? If there are 4 apples and you take away 3, how many do you have? Okay. Jonathan says, I did. Okay. Havik says 5. Okay, I think you are still referring to maybe to the first question. Chenzi says 3. Jugu, welcome. So Jugu says 3. Bing Chilling says 1. Says 1. Okay. Jugu is saying 3 apples. Tosif, you're welcome. Says 3 as well. KY says 4. I don't want to pronounce it because definitely I may not get it right. I'm so sorry. So KY says 4. All right. So the question is simple. The question is simple. If there are 4 apples and you take away 3. If there are 4 apples and you take away 3, how many do you have? How many do you have? Yes, how many do you have? There are 4 apples, you take away 3. How How many do you have? Okay. I have our full moon by 3. Jonas says 3 as well. Meti says 5. Pav says 3. Chelsea says 3. Now Bing Chilling says 3. All right. This is not as easy as you think. Not as easy as you think, because that is the truth. This is not as easy as you think. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and discuss that. I have no idea because I could have initially any number of apples and I added 3. Okay. Initially, I may have x apples. If x equals 0, then 3 else x plus 3. Okay. Now Miriam says 9. I just bought apples. Okay, you just bought apples and you bought 9 apples. You bought 9 apples, right? This is how many of what? How many fingers you have? How many do you have? Just confused. Now Felix just confused me more. Please don't get confused. Do not get confused. Please. Do not get confused, please. Okay. So let's go. What do you think the answer should be? Change the answer is hidden in the question. It is well. It is well. Seriously. Okay, Wonder Ring says 3. Wonder Ring says 3. Our kitchen secret Chelsea is saying 3 as well. Okay. Now let's do this together. If there are 4 apples and you take away 3, how many do you have? How many do you have? Now, it's simple. It's simple. There is no logic around it at all. Why do I say that? Because the sentence is actually very easy. Yes, it's actually very easy. There are 4 apples. These 4 apples might be anywhere. Maybe you went to the supermarket and you noticed that I have 4 apples. There are 4 apples in the shelf, maybe remaining in the shelf, and they are asked to, and you want to take away 3. When you take away 3, of course, what you have is 3 apples. Where you took it to does not concern anyone. The fact that you took away 3, that is what you have with you. 3, that is what you have with you. Okay. All right. So that was amazing. Is trying to make my answer incorrect? Please, Chenzi and Jugu, some of you should let me be. Don't bring me into your discussion. Yes. So another question says, Mr. Smith has 4 daughters. Mr. Smith has four daughters. Then each of his daughters has a brother. Each of his daughters has a brother. Each of his daughters has a brother. Now the question says, how many children does Mr. Smith have? How many children does Mr. Smith have? Okay, so let's go. Let us go. Okay, so Jugu says answer is 4. Okay. Now I understand what you're saying. Jugu says answer is 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 children. Chelsea says 5 as well. Mehdi is saying 4 plus 1. Jugu says 5 children. Bing says 5 children. Shebro says 8. 8 children. Shannon says 5. 5 children. So Simon says 5. Mr. Smith is actually Mrs. Smith. How? How is Mr. Smith? It was Mrs. Smith. Mr. Smith has 4 daughters. Each of his daughters has a brother. How many children does Mr. Smith have? Okay. So Mr. Smith has 4 daughters. Each of his daughters has a brother. How many children does Mr. Smith have? Is a straightforward question. It is a straightforward question. Okay. So Tosif says 5. Jubu said Goldsmith. Goldsmith. Chelsea say aren't you supposed to keep quiet and not tell the pattern or method to do the question? So Frank is saying not enough info. Okay. A viral says 5. Chelsea is saying blacksmith. So Chevron is saying 5 as well. So what do people think the answer should be? What do you think the answer should be? Jugu, I beg. So please remember our rules. 1, do not spam. Spamming means you are dropping the same thing over and over again. Okay, please don't spam. Then 2, don't tell us the method you use to find anything. So maybe he's saying Mr. Smith. Tosif is saying 1 brother. So Shenzi is saying great and Shenzi is saying 5 as well. All right. Now let us do this together. It's actually very simple. It's actually very simple because when you look at the question, all right, you are going to notice something. Mr. Smith has 4 daughters. These are the 4 daughters. Let's assume these are the 4 daughters. Let's assume these are the 4 daughters. Okay. If you should, and they have each of them have 1 brother, has 1 brother. Each of them has 1 brother. So this is the 1 brother. It's not as if to say each of them has a different no. Because the truth remains that if you meet A and say, hey, how many brothers do you have? She will say, I have 1 brother. If you meet B and say, B, how many brothers do you have? She will say, I have 1 brother. So in total, there are 5. 5 of them in the house. Okay? Yeah, interesting. All right. Now, another question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Now, another question. We have these math puzzles. Let's use that word. Math puzzles. Okay, so you have this. This is the first diagram. We have 5, 6, 2, 15. Then we have another triangle. And we have 2, 8, 4, 4. Then the last one we have 7, 4, 14. Now the question is saying, let's find the missing number. Find the missing number. Oh God. Find the missing number. Okay. So your daughter could have a brother through her mother. I don't know. I don't know. Now the question is saying we should find the missing number 56215 2844 7414 and what? Okay, the missing number is 2. Remember, don't tell us how you got it. Okay, so that we will do it ourselves. Don't give us your pattern. We will find out ourselves. All right. Thank you very much. So let us go. Jugu says it's 2. Jugu says it's 2. Chenzi says so. Try. You have to try. You can never tell. You have to try. You can never tell. So what is the answer? We have 562. Then we have 15 in the middle. 284. We have 4 in the middle. And we have 7414. We are asked what is in the middle as well. So let's go. Let us go, 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 go. This seems to be very easy. This seems to be very easy. So Jonah is saying it's 3. See, Jugu is saying it's 3. It's not 3. Jugu, are you sure? You can never tell the right answer. You can never tell. That is the truth, Jugu. So, how sure are you is the answer is not 3? Are you the one that said the question? Okay, soccer. Okay, welcome. Soccer said the answer is 2. Hi, JJ again. Sarah, hi. Welcome. Thank you for joining us once again. Thank you for joining. So, guy says 2. Everyone is saying 2. Okay. We have 2 by Goya, 2 by Soccer, 2 by Jugu. Chenzi didn't say anything, and Jonah has said it's 3. So what could be the results? What could be the answer? Okay, Jonah say yes, it's 3. That shows you are 100% sure. 100% minus nothing. So guys, let us go. Says 7 times 2 is divided by 7. Okay, Mr. Alan, please help us. Don't tell us your pattern. Yes. Thank you all for joining, but here we have some rules. 1, just tell us what you got as your answer, but don't tell us the pattern. That way others will have the opportunity to think through and provide their own answers. All right? Chelsea is saying I'm impatient. I searched up. So thank you so much. Goye says the answer is 4 divided by 2, right? 39 people are online and only 7 likes. Come on, my friends. Maybe thank you for that. Please, let's not tell anyone to like the live stream. Just know that I believe that anyone that enjoys my live stream will like it. Okay, and I will remind them for those that actually forgot. Okay. Maybe your dementia is gone. He doesn't have dementia, please. Okay, now let's do this together. Let's do this together. We have 5, 6, and 2. If we decide to add these 3 together, if we decide to add them together, okay, it's not going to give us 15. Let's try. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. Okay. Now 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So definitely we cannot add to get anything in the middle. So we need to find another way. But when you look at this, you see that 5 times 6 is 30 and 15 is half of 30. Okay. Let's say they divided by these 2 to get 15, right? Similarly, 2 times 8 is 16. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. So you can see that is the pattern. Yeah. So now we have 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So 28 divided by, what is this? 14. Yeah. 28 divided by 14 will give us 2. and that is the missing number. Let's go, friends. I'm excited about today's lesson. We are going to learn a lot. A lot. Pause on video. We are going to learn a lot. Now, we have another question. Who is ready? Are you ready? Because I am ready. More than ready for each and every one of you. I am more than ready. So, we have this. This is supposed to be a straight line. Pardon me. Then we have here, we have 50, 40. This number is big. Then we have question mark. We have 120. We have 24. We have 6. We have 2. We have 1, 1. So we are asked to find the missing number. We are asked to find the missing number. We are asked to find the missing number. Now, the question says, this is 5, 50, 40, 1, 1, 2, 6, 20, 4, 120, and this is empty. What is the missing number? Let's go. Friends, remember, do not tell us your pattern so that all of us will get it by ourselves. Don't tell us your pattern so that we can get it by ourselves. Don't tell us your pattern so that we can get it by yourself. Okay. And we have 720 by Jugu. Okay. We have 720 by Jugu. Jugu, are you sure? The answer is 720. Are you sure the answer is 720? Who agrees that this chatbot called Felix solves puzzles? Answer 720. So I have Alicia says 120 by 6. 120 by 6. And where did you get 6 from? Ash Coconut says 120 by 6 as well. Chelsea says, I know you are not a bot. I'm not a first grade student. Okay. Friends, people should not mind Chelsea and Jugu. That is their way. That is how they roll with each other. That is their way. Hello, Anas. Don't worry. Just try. Okay, Anna says the answer is 720. Okay, Chelsea, we are waiting. Thank you. So let's see how this goes, friends. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I should do it. You're just joining. You just have to size present so that others will have the opportunity to think this through. Yeah. So Jonah said the answer is 720 as well. Okay, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, so let's do it together. Let's do it together. When you look at this, it's actually not easy. Yes, especially for the fact that we have something, a big number there. This 50, 40 is actually a big number. Okay, so, but that doesn't matter. Let's try first. We have 2 here. So if we say 1 plus 1 equals 2, it will work for this, but let's see. 2 plus 6 supposed to give us 8, but what we have here is 24. Now, if we say 1 plus 1 equals 2, then we multiply the 2 by 1. Okay, we are going to still get 2, right? If we say 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, and we multiply 8 by 2, it's going to give us what? 16. No, I skipped a step. Sorry. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, right? Now 3 times 2 will give us 6. Now 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 times 3 will give us 24. All right. Now 6 plus 24 is 30. Now 30 times 4. That is, we have multiplied by 1, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3. So now we are at 4. 30 times 4 will give us what? 120. Then we have 24 times 24. Which one did I do last? 6 times 6 plus 24 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. So 24 plus 120. 120 plus 24. We have 144. So we're going to multiply by 5 this time, right? So 5 times 4 is 20, carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Write 2, carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So we have 720 here. Now let's see if we are going to get this, right? So the last multiplication is by 5. Now we have 120 plus 720. We have 840. So we are going to multiply by 6, right? Now 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry 2. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 2 is 50. So that says, or that actually proves that the answer we got is correct. All right. Now, next question. Now, next question. We have this. Those of you that have been joining this live stream, I believe this has helped some of us very well, because when you go to an exam and you see questions like this, you'll have enough to reason with. You have gone through this severally, so you can say, let me try to use this method, let me try to use that method, right? Yeah. So we have 20. We have 7 here. Now here we have 40, we have 5, and we have question mark. So the question says we should find the missing number. Okay. Okay. Jonah says yes. This life is a real treat. Jonah says we did. Okay. So Shenzi is thinking, I believe. The ball is rolling. That is Jogo. Wait, I made a bet. Now I have to give out something. Jogo says the answer is 9. Who is saying the answer is 9? Okay. Anna says it's 9 as well. So the question says we have this, and we are asked to find the missing number. What is the missing number? Life with Leno says 12. Anas is also saying, yes, it's 9. Anas, please remember our rules. Don't tell us how you got that. Okay? Don't tell us how you got that. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. You can do this. I believe so. We can do this. We can do this. Okay, thank you, Anas. We can do this. So we're asked to find the missing number. We're asked to find the missing number. We're asked to find the missing number. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Jugo say it can be 37, 2 apart from 9, if we apply the modulus. Let's go, friends. Please like the live stream if you love what we are doing. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell, because that is the only way you will be notified anytime I go live. Okay? So Chelsea is saying it's X, you can find the value of X. Martin is saying it's 9. Chelsea say X equals Haveg Jugu. So, friends, thanks for the likes, guys. So let's go. What made you think I'm the school topper? Let's go, let's go, let's go. What is the missing number? We have 552, 1527, 45, and what? It's 9, but absolute value of A minus B leads to plus 2 was 37. 37. Okay. You're saying that 37 2 can be an answer. Remember that in IQ test, we don't assume something and we don't add to what we cannot see. We solve the whole thing based on what we see. Jugu is saying, Chenzi, once it's online, it's no secret that you are a topper. So let's go, friends. I think he's a genius, but he thinks denying just like the bad base who says he didn't study after studying everything. It's possible. Chance is possible. All right. Now, are you sure? Jugu, you're saying we used the absolute value. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Develop it says is minus 33. So it's time to do this, and then we move on to another question. It's time to do this so that we can move on to another question. Okay. This is it. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. So we have 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. I'm talking about the first one. Okay. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Then 10 divided by 5 will give us 2, which is the number that we have here. Now for this, 15 plus 20 will give us 35. Okay, if we divide this by 5 as well, we get 7. Yes. Now here we have 40 plus 5, that is 45. So if we divide it by 5 again, we have 9. So 9 is the right answer. Yeah. That is the right answer. Now let us go. More questions and answers. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Now, the next question, we have this. We have 8, 6, 2. Okay, 2, 6. This is where the 6 is. And then we have 36 inside. Then we have another one. We have 7, 8. We have 2, 5. And this is 46. Then another one. We have 7, 6. We have 4, 10. And we are asked to find the answer to this. What is the missing number? Yeah, what is the missing number? Oh, sorry. What is the missing number? So I'm seeing 46. Seeing 46 as the answer. 46 by Jugu. 46 by Develop It. Jugu is saying 46 is missing. Okay, missing is 46. All right. Missing is 46. So let's go. Let us go. Let us go. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? So I can see so Anna says, how did you get it? For me, if you are still here, please talk. He has not gone anywhere. So Anna says, Lady says, who is Mehdi? So Anna says, you party meeting. Okay, well done. Hi, my friend just arrived. My friend, you are welcome. So, this, because in 3 seconds you did it. Yeah. Chelsea is saying you are Felix. So, what is the answer? Easiest one. First time I got it. Yeah. Okay. So, Sarah, tell us what is the answer? Okay. My friend said the answer is 46. Okay. 46. Nice one. Let's go. 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 Okay. So Sarah says it's 46. Julie is saying I'm a hat trick. Anna is saying, okay, all right. So what do you think the answer should be? Let's give others some time to join and tell us what they think the answer is as well. So Julie is saying that he is universal. Nice one. 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 What is the missing number? What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Let's go. So we have 8626 in the first number for around the first circle. Then the second circle we have 7258 around the second circle. The third circle we have 7416 around the third circle. So what do you think the answer should be? Okay, now let's do this together. Let's do this together. So we have 8 times 6 is 48 minus 2 times 6 is 12. If we solve this, we get 36, which is the number in the center. Okay. Now, similarly, was there a class last night? Yeah, Shenzi, there was one class around after 9 p.m. Nigerian time. So here we have 7 times 8 is 56 minus 2 times 5 is 10. If you solve this, you get 46. Now the last one, 7 times 10 is 70 minus 6 times 4 is 24. So if you subtract this, 10 minus this is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And that is where 46 is coming from. Yeah, please don't spam your answers, okay? Thank you at AY. AY, thank you so much. I appreciate. But please do not spam your answer. One answer is okay. All right? Okay, so another question. Another question. But before that, permit me to take a picture of this because I want to ask it as a question on my page on the blue app. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go. Another one. In this one, we are asked to find the missing number as well. So here we have our box, a 4 by 4. A 4 by 4. And we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, a 3 by 4. Sorry. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 28, 80, and we have this. So what should be the missing number? The question is saying, what is the missing number? So let's go, friends. What is the missing number? I'm getting 162. I have 162 by Meiji, 162 by Jugu, 162 by Anas. Wow. It seems this one is very easy. It seems like this is very easy. So all is well is saying 162 as well. My friend says 162. All is well. One answer is enough, okay? Thank you very much. So that we don't spam. Thank you. Anna says, Anna, don't tell us how you got it. Remember our rule. So Dilip Jane says 462. Dilip Jane, please don't spam your answers. One is enough. Okay? Please, one is enough. Don't spam your answers. All right. So Anna says is 162. Dorothy is saying is 162 as well. So Action Secret, Chelsea says 162. Legend is saying, Legend, I've said it already. Please, one answer is okay. Do not spam your answers. All right? Don't spam your answer. Just drop one answer is enough. You can write other things in the comments, maybe communicate with other persons, but don't drop the same answer over and over again. All right, it's spamming. All right, so let's go, friends. Let us go. Let us go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Delete Jane. Hope you heard me. No, I was saying you should stop spamming your answers, please. All right. So our kitchen secret says I was like processing on that responsive. So let's tickle says 162. Carlos says 162. Yes, ma'am. Do you want your voice? No disturb all the happy. Or happy there. If I'm happy, I'm not using camera. Carl says 162. Jugo says it's the keyboard. Okay. Hmm? You wolf the wolf the. Okay. Now is very similar to her name and a common word in Hindi. Yes, I know it's indifferent. All right, so let's go, friends. More answers. All right. Now let's solve this and move on to another question. Or should we wait for small for more? Okay. More persons. Super short is saying 108. Nice one. So Agisha Secret is asking, should I tell? Tell what? What do you want to tell? What do you want to tell? Let us go. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What is the missing number? Could you try? Try, try, try. Anas, are you asking me? So Kabita says 162. Anas, stop spamming, please. Our kitchen secret, Shanzi. Okay. Of course, I know she's gonna. All right, so we have 162. Now it's time to say the answer and move on. Oliver is saying the same thing, 162. So let's do this. Let's do this. We have 28 here. Is there any way we can get 28 from here? So we have 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 will give us 12. But we have 28. Okay. So if we say 1 times 4, we have 4. 4 times 7 is 28. All right. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 8 is 80. Okay. Then finally we have 3 times 6 is 18. 18 times 9 will give us 162. I believe that because everyone is saying that. So I believe that is what you guys did. So 18 times 9. Now 9 times 8 is 72. We write 2 carry 7. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 7 is 16. So we have 162 as the answer. Yeah, amazing. So as usual, permit me to take a shot of this. Let me take a picture because I will post it on my other. Now, the next question is easy. The next question is easy. This question is saying, now, this question is in this form. We have this is the question mark. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 8. So we're asked to find the missing number. We are asked to find the missing number. Let's go. So Mehdi says 13. Hmm. Jugu is saying 13 as well. Oliver says 13. Chelsea and Jugu, two of you. Two of you. So Chelsea is saying 13, easy. This one is very easy. And that is why I'm standing up. I don't want to sit down. Because I know you will get the answer fast. So let's go. Now the answer is 13. This one is very easy. Just like you said. Just like you said, Anna says it's 13 as well. My friend says the answer is 13. Okay, now we can do this together. Very easy. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 2 plus 3 will give us 5. 3 plus 5 will give us 8. So 5 plus 8 will give us 13. So that is the answer. The missing number is 13. The missing number is 13. Now, another wonderful, lovely question. It's a wonderful and lovely question now. So we have 3, 1, 2, 5. We have question mark here. We have 9. We have 4. We have 25. Now we are asked to find the missing number. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. I'm seeing 1. 1. 1 is by Fort. 1 also by Jugu. 1 by Anas. 1 by Jugu again. Jugu, okay. We have 1 by a friend. So let's go. Let us go. Let us go. What is the missing number? 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 Okay. Okay. So, no, I did it in my head. Anna says I did it in my head. What is the missing number? So let's go. Anna's saying the answer is 1. I'm trusting you for once. So 1. That Anna's don't do this, writing the equation. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so thank you, Sarah. All right. Anna is saying 1 times 1. Suka is saying 1. Chelsea gives the official answer as 1. Okay, Anna, thank you so much for understanding. Okay, so Amma is saying 2. Eddie is saying 1. Amma is saying 1. Okay, Amma, you've changed your mind. So Amma has changed his or her mind. And the answer for her now is, or for him is 1. So let's go, friends. What is the missing number? 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 Okay. So let's solve this together. It is actually very easy. This is easy. 3 squared is 9. 5 squared is 25. 2 squared is 4. So 1 squared should give us 1. Okay. So the missing number is 1. Just like every other person has said. Now another question. Another question. Now in this question we have this. We have this. We have this. Are you ready? Okay, so let's go, friends. Now this is what we have. We have F, we have P, and we have 22. We have G. This is G. We have N, and we have 21. We have J, and we have E, and we have 15. We have K. We have the question mark, and we have 27. Now the question is saying you should find the missing number. So we are asked to find the missing number. Remember our rules. Do not tell anyone. Okay. Do not tell us the pattern you used to get your answer right. Just tell us your answer. Just tell us your answer. Just tell us your answer. I'm waiting. I am waiting. Let us go. 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 Okay. Missing number or letter. Oh, sorry, the missing letter. The missing letter. Julie is saying the answer is 16. So it's 16. Okay. Amma is saying missing number or letter. It's letter. I'm sorry about that. So Richard says the answer is P. Okay. He told the answer before I even started processing. Network issue is there, letter P. Okay, but I believe it's okay now, right? The network issue should not start. I beg. Now, Juki is saying the answer is 16. Okay. My mind runs on Intel what? Intel i9 processor. P. My friend, you've not told me your name. Please now, what's your name? You know I'm talking to you, you know. I cannot read. I think that should be Chinese language, right? I can't read it. Just tell me your name in English, please. So my friend says the answer is P. Julie is saying I wrote the number instead. P is the answer. Okay. Yeah, it should be later. Julie is saying, ma'am, ask for number. It's letter. It's sorry, it's letter, yes. P is missing according to Anas. Mark says pick up a pin. Nice one. So Anna is saying P is the 16th letter and K is, oh, Anna's, why now? Remember our rule. Remember our rule. Don't tell us your method, your pattern, please. All right, please. So others will be free, yes, to think it through. I wish I could write P before anyone else. Mom asked for numbers, so I wrote 16. No problem. Jugu. Jugu, don't worry. Okay. Chelsea. Chelsea saying he's jealous of Jugu. I beg go. Anna is saying, how can you're smart? You are smart. It's okay. Each and every one of you is smart. All right. Thank you all for always being here. So Julie said, don't feel jealous. Have some listen. So we have about 56 persons here. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified anytime I go live. I go live every single day, multiple times by the grace of God. So just tune in and enjoy. All right. So let's go. Change your pay. I don't want to laugh too much. Yeah. Okay. What is the missing letter? The question should be what is the missing letter? So Sarah says P. Sarah says it's P. Sopun says P. Okay. Everyone is saying the same thing. Everyone is saying the same thing. So what do you think the answer should be? Okay. So let's do this together so that we move on to one. Let's do this together. So to do this, we should note our alphabets and the numbers they stand for. Okay. So that is what I'm trying to do. That is what I'm trying to do. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay. Now, F is what? F is 6. So we have 6 plus P. Our P is 16. Now, if you add 6 to 16, you get 22. Okay. So similarly, let's confirm using the second box. So using the second box, we have G. Our G is 7 plus N. Our N is 14. If you add them together, you will get 21. So this has confirmed that, yes, this is what we should do. Now let's solve the one that we are asked to solve. So we have K. K is 11. So 11 plus what will give us 27. So we need to subtract 11 from both sides so that we get the value of our x. And the value of x is 16. But we are not asked to find the number. We are asked to find the letter, right? So we go back to our table to search for the letter that stands for 16. That is equal to 16, and that is P. So that means that the letter is P. Very simple, but tricky. Okay. So as usual, permit me to take a screenshot of this because I will definitely ask that in my blue app as a puzzle. Okay. So yeah. Let's go, friends. Another puzzle loading. Who is ready? Who is ready for the next one? Who is ready for the next one? Now this one is the same thing with, we have letters. We have letters. we have letters. So we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. It's a 3 by 3. So we have F, I, O, A, J, K, E, M, O. So we're asked to find, which one are we looking for? It seems I solved everything and added the answer. Okay, so we're asked to get this. Now, what is the missing letter? What is the missing letter? What is the missing letter? Now I believe you get to work. What is the missing letter? What is the missing letter? What is the missing letter? So let us go. What is the missing letter? Say the missing letter is M. Anas, thank you so much for joining. I appreciate. Okay. So Jugu says it's M. Now she says I have no idea. So let's go. We can do this. This is actually very easy. Yes, it is easy. It is easy. When I say it's easy, it's easy. So give it a try. Give it a try, you all. Let's go, friends. I'm trying mine already. So Juby is saying not M, it's R. R is the answer. Okay. So let's go. Let's go. I'm doing mine. That is exactly what I'm solving here. So as to get what they're trying to do. Okay. So we have F. F is this. And we have I. I is that. I is that. And that corresponds. Oh, I've seen the pattern. Yes, Chenzi and Jugu, two of you became friends here. Ensure that you, when you people want to do a union, you want to see each other face to face. Ensure that I'm there because I'll be the main person that should be on your. Yes, ensure that I'm there. Okay. Because if not for me, Jugu would not have met Chenzi. Chenzi is not you and Felix that is even closer. Okay, you all are from the same world. So friends, let's go. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. Julie is saying it's R. Anas is saying it's R as well. Okay. How sure are you guys that the answer is R? How sure are you? If I hear change the you, I'm seeing you as this person that knows everything hiding. My regards to your friend. My regards to your friend. Jugu, don't mind him. I know he's joking. Don't mind him. He knows everything. So let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Anas, thank you. So let's go, friends. Let's see how this goes. We can do this. It's actually very easy. Everyone, you can do this. Let's drop the answers. I believe we can do it. Chelsea want to try Arishi. Okay. My regards to her. So we have F, I-O, that is O, not 0, and that is I, as in letter I, and not 1, in case if some of you did not get this, okay? So we have F, we have I, Jugu is dropping the answer because he don't want Chelsea to go. Oh, shy. Jugu, you don't want your friend to go. That's why you're telling him the answer. So we have A, we have J, we have K, we have E, we have M as well. So let's go. Our number one on this is Chelsea. In ranking for now, Chelsea is the number one. Number two is Jugu. Number three, who is our number three? Who is our number three? Let me check who is our number three. Our number three is has not spoken for some time. So I'll find that person. Okay, our number three is Anas. Oh. So we have Chelsea number one, the first, followed by Jugu, then Anas. Thank you guys for your support. So now let's do this together. Let us do this together. So because we are seeing alphabets and this is math puzzle, yes, the first thing we need to do is to write the whole alphabets and take notes of their positions. Like me, I don't cram. It disturbs me, so I need to write them down. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's drop their numbers, the numbers they stand for. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. All right. Now, let's check. We have F. F is what? 6. We have I. I is what? 9. If I add 6 to 9, I will get 15. So what is 0 doing here? If you check, you can see that 0 is the 15th letter of the alphabet. Yes. Now, similarly, we have A. A is 1 plus J. J is 10. If you add this, you get 11. And the 11th alphabet is K, which is what you have here. Therefore, we already know the pattern. We can easily get it now. Okay. So we now have E. E is 5 plus M. M is 13. If you add this together, you have 18. And the 18th alphabet is R. And that is how we got R as the answer. So this is R. Amazing. Who is in for another question? Who is in for another question? Who is in for another question? Okay. Now this question is simple but logical as well. So we have a 3 by 3. We have a 3 by 3. We have 4, 8, 16. We have 5, 10, 20. We have 6, 12. And we have question mark. So we are asked to find the missing number. Find the missing number. Eddie is saying beautiful, thank you. Anna saying cool, wait a minute. Mehdi is saying 24. Juby is saying 24. Cadence is saying the same thing. Wow. It seems this one is very easy. It seems like this is easy. People should not tell me that it's easy. Because if you tell me that it is easy, then wait for my return. My return is going to be a banger. Trust me. 24 is the missing number. Okay. That is Jubu. So, RU16. Yeah, that is that. That is the other one. So, let's go, friends. Maybe it's a hidden gem. Chenzi is saying it's 24. It's your age, 24. That is Carnage. That is Carnage. Let's go, friends. Let us go. Let us go. No wonder. This one seems to be simple. This one seems to be simple. This seems to be simple. My friend also said the answer is 24. My friend said the answer is 24. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Geometry. Geometry is saying the answer is 24. Geometry. Geometry, I beg. Why are you answering that? If I may ask. Why are you answering that? Answering that. Let's move on with the answer. Okay. Yeah, I think we should because this is easy, right? Okay, let's do that. Let us do that. Okay. Mr. Kant says the same 24. And Joyce says the same 24. Okay. So let's see why the answer is 24. 4 times 2 will give us 8. And 8 times 2 will give us 16. 5 times 2 will give us 10. And 10 times 2 will give us 20. 6 times 2 will give us 12. And 12 times 2 will give us 24. Yeah, so that is why the answer is 24. Sarah is saying the same thing, that the answer is 24. Okay, now another question. Yeah, to the next question. This one is tricky. We have one. One is 314. 2. 2 is 325. 3 3 is 538. 4 4 is 448. So what is 6? 6 is what? Let's see who will get it. Let's see who will get this right. So we have 1 to be 314. 2 is 325. 3 is 538. 4 is 448. Now what is 5? Sorry, what is 6? 6 is what? Jonah, what is that? You can do it. It's simple. I trust you guys to do this correctly. I trust you guys to do this correctly. 1 is 314. 2 is 325. 3 is 538. 4 is Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Answer is 336. Okay. I have 612 by Chenzi. Anna says 1933. Um, Chenzi is saying 6612. Okay. Jugu says 336. Medi is saying 369. Ju is saying answer is 336. This is 100% correct. Jugu is saying I quit. Oh, Anna's okay. So Anna's not minding. That is his way. So Jugu is saying 369. 369 by Jugu. Anna is saying because it has three letters. Please don't explain. All right. So we have a zero says 648. Jugu is saying 369. So Jonah is saying 628. And Anna is saying 333. Who is saying 369 for sure? So let's go. Right? Let's go. Let us go. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? What is the missing number? Okay. So Sarah is saying 659. My friend said the answer is 369. Never trust a token. Oh, Jugo says I mistook it for 336. I messed up there, although the logic was obvious. Okay. Okay. The logic was obvious. The logic was obvious. So let's go, friends. So Julie is saying the answer is 369. Chenzi said, I really want to tell Talcon something, but Sarah saying 359. Eddie is saying 369. Anna saying 333. So Julie is saying, tell me, Chenzi. I beg you. Now we have 333. Anas, please stop spamming, okay? One is okay. Except if you want to write something else. Okay, thank you very much. So Anna says the answer is 333. Juby is saying 369. Credits, MIDI, and Talcum is the ratio 1:1. Ah, oh, it is well. 369 by the zero. Or this zero. Sorry. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Mm-hmm. Mm. Let us go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So, hope you can hear me from my state. I'm gonna tell you. Hmm. Your age mode 4 is 2. Modular arithmetic. Okay. So friends, shall we? What is the answer to this? If 1 is 314 and 2 is 325 and 3 is 538, 4 is 448. Now what is 6? That is the question. Okay. Remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I go live, which I do every day, you'll be notified. Now, Auntie Eddie is saying 5611. So Priya is saying found it. Anas is asking what are you asking for? So Chelsea is saying done. Okay, Chelsea. So finally, what is the answer? I can't tell how old I am. You guys are funny. I talked with actions too. Okay, now let's do this together. Anna's saying is 13. So Anna says 13. Anna says 13. Okay. Now, let's do this. We have 3 here. We have 3 here. So if we look at these two numbers, what do you think they have in common? When you look at those two numbers, what do you think they have in common? Now, when you look at them, you will notice that they both have 3 letters. So that's why you have 3 here and 3 here. Then this is 1. That is why you have 1 in the middle. This is 2. That's why you have 2 in the middle. Okay. Now, when you sum up the first and the second, 3 plus 1, you will get 4. 3 plus 2, you will get 5. Now, this is 3. 3 has 5 letters. And we are talking about 3. Okay. Now, 5 plus 3 will give us 8. The same thing with 4. Now, when we talk about 6, so first things first, 6 has 3 letters. So we write 3. Now, we are talking about 6. So we have 6. Now, when you add 3 to 6, you have 9. And that is how those that got 369 got the answer. Very interesting, right? Okay. How smart are you? How smart are you? How smart are you? Now, in this question, we have 1, 1, 1, 1, and this is equal to R. We have 2, 2, 2, 2, and this is equal to T. We have 3, 3, 3, 3. This is equal to E. We have 4, 4, 4, 4. And this is equal to N. So what is 5, 5, 5, 5? That is the question. What is 5, 5, 5, 5? What is 5, 5, 5, 5? You can do this. Yes, 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 yes. Mehdi is saying why. Okay. Remember, don't say how you got your answer, whether because we have not concluded yet and we want others to think this through. What is 5, 5, 5, 5? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We can do this. We can do it. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Let's go. Let us go. So new phone says, can't see you. Are you referring to me? You will definitely see it because I will definitely stand up and write the final answer. Okay? So don't worry, you will definitely see me. So we have 111 to be R, we have 222 to be T, we have 333 as E, 444 as N. Now what is 5555? So Mehdi says Y, Dark says Y as well. Kitchen Secret Shenzi says F. Desire is saying Y. Okay. And as so let's do this together. Let's do this together. What is 5555? What is 5555? Hello, son. Son to one Kong. Sorry, I cannot pronounce your name very well. Hey, you are welcome. Chelsea is saying, Anas, I did not copy you. So we know you don't copy anybody, right? So don't worry, we are rooting for you. We know you did not copy anyone. Tiheraj, you joined us today. Thank you for joining. Tiheraj says the answer is Y as well. Mm. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Chelsea, hello. Mm. Okay, so Jagan say E, Anas is saying 0. Anas is saying 0. The Herans is saying let's go, friends. Let us go, let us go, let us go. What is the answer? Oh, not 0. Okay. Oh, sorry. So Anna say O, that the answer is O. All right. So friends, let's go. What do you think the answer is, or the answer should be? What do you think the answer should be? What do you think the answer should be? All right. Dun, 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 dun. Chelsea is saying, I have to watch one movie after this. Okay. What's the name of the movie? Chelsea is saying S. S. And I'm saying S or O. So Jagan is saying something. Let's go, friends. What is 5555? It's a Malayalam movie. Okay. I don't really have time to watch movies. I pray to have time someday. For now, I don't. Saka, you're welcome. I've not seen you before here. You're welcome. Thank you for joining us. So you have a question on the board. What is the answer? I don't know what is the number. Okay, no problem. Just stay tuned and we're going to do that together. I'll sit this one out. Eddie, this is simple. Trust me, it is simple. Trust me, it is simple. I finished my exam, so wow, congratulations. I wish. I wish. Let's go, friends. Okay, I think it's time to answer this. Some of us don't really know what to do here. Some of us don't know what to do. So let's do this together. Let's do this together. Okay. All right. Now, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 4. And 4 is FOUR. And that is why you have R as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Similarly, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 will give us 8. And if you spell 8, EIGHT. And that is why the answer is T as well. Now, let's go to the last one. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give us 20. So if we write 20, right? So it ends with what? Y. And that is why the answer should be Y. So those of you that said 0 or Y, please let me know. How did you get, that said O. How did you get O? Maybe there is another pattern that I didn't get. Y O. And as you said S or O. Y O. And how do you get S in the first place? Yeah. So Esri says Y, Anna says Y, Chenzi is saying Y as well. All right, so the next question. The next question. Now in this question, we have 8 plus 2 is equal to 16, 10, 6. 5 plus 4 is equal to 2091. 9 plus 6 is equal to 54133. 54153. Sorry. And we are asked to find 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is what? 5 plus 4 is what? And as so let's go. Eddie is saying heavens. So I have 2091 by Medi, 29 by Dark, 2091 by Anna's, 2091 by Mark as well. Jugi is saying 2091 as well. Okay. Dark is saying 2091. Anna's is saying it's the same. Excuse me, it's the same. I don't know. Okay. Now, my friend saying it's 2091 too. Let's go. Let's go. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, now I see what you people are saying. I have 5 plus 4 here. No wonder everybody is saying 20. I'm going to clean it. Let me put something else. No wonder everyone is saying 20, 2091. Okay, so what is 7 plus 5? What is 7 plus 5? No wonder everybody is saying the same thing. Now, what is 7 plus 5? What is 7 plus 5? Let me see if you people can get the pattern. Oh, very okay. Even tropical says 2091 then. All right, now maybe it's saying 35122. Oh, you know the pattern. Julie is saying the same thing. Mark saying the same thing. Anna says is 35122. Darkex 35122. The Herald 35122. Tropicals saying the same. My friend is saying the same. The Zera is saying the same. Wow, that means it's simple now. Silicon is saying the same thing. Jagan is saying it's different something. It says 5122. Maybe it's a typo. Maybe, just maybe, it's a typo. All right. Anas, please, let's not say the pattern. But everyone is saying the same thing, so it means this is easy, right? It means that this is easy. It means that this is easy. So the guy is saying 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I said maybe it was a typo. So the hero is dropping something. So if you've not answered this, we can try. If you have not answered this, try. This is actually very easy. As easy as ABC. You didn't do it in your head. You just copied it at Gigant. And as you can never tell, don't say what you are not sure of. He said 5122. So I believe it's a typo. Yeah, it was a mistake. I believe that. Yeah, maybe exactly. All right, so 7 cubed. 7 cubed, where have you been? You're welcome. So 7 cubed says the answer is 35122. Okay. So does anyone want to answer again? Okay, let's do this together so that we can ask another question. All we are doing here is to sharpen our brain. Sharpen our brain. All right, so this is simple. 8 times 2, 16. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 minus 2, 6. Very easy. 5 times 4, 20. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 5 minus 4 is 1. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 7 times 5 is 35. So we start from there. Now, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 7 minus 5 is 2. So that is why the answer is 35122, which is what everyone got. What almost everyone got. Okay. All right. Now the next question. This one say Monday. Monday is 2617. As Tuesday is 627. 627. Now what is Friday? What is Friday? What is Friday? If Monday is 617 and Tuesday is 627. Now, what is Friday? What is Friday? I'm getting 657, 657 as well. Okay, let's go, friends. Let's go. Some people say 667. Mehdi is saying 657. Anna is saying 657. My friend is saying 657 too. Julie is saying 657. So Jordan is saying 657. Zero is saying 657. Wow, everyone is saying the same thing. Everybody is saying the same thing. Okay, so I think it's time to say what it is. From here, you can see that 6 is what? Constant. Okay? And 7 is constant as well. Now, Monday, according to this, Monday is the first day of the week. According to this, Monday, we have 1. Tuesday is 2. So Wednesday is 3. Thursday is 4. Friday is 5. So it should be 6, 5, 7. Just like you all predicted. Okay. Now let's do this one. Let's do this. We have 1 equals 3. One is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 5. 4 is equal to 4. Now 5 is equal to what? 5 is equal to what? 5 is equal to what? Okay. AD says beautiful again. Thank you. So Mehdi saying is 4. That 5 is 4. 7 cube is saying is 4 as well. Juby is saying is 4 as well. Okay. Let's go. What is 5? The error says it's 5. Yes, maybe I think I did. I think I did, but it is well. Let's go, friends. Let us go. If 1 is 3, 2 is 3, 3 is 5, 4 is 4, 5 is 4, 6. Oh my God, though. Okay, so so the 0 says it's 5. Jagan says 7. My friend is saying the answer is 4 as well. So let us go. Let's 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 go. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Or what do you think the answer is? What is the answer? I think the answer is. What is the answer, or what do you think the answer is? Okay. All right, Anas. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Okay. Yeah, take care of yourself. Bye. So let's go, friends. 5 is what? Okay, I think it's time to just go on and solve this. It's time to go on and solve this. Now we have one. One has 3 letters, which is why you have 3 here. Two. Two has 3 letters as well, which is why you have 3. So 5. 5 has 4 letters. So the answer is 4. Yes. Now we have another question. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. So in this question, let me fill this in. In this question, we have a box and we're expected to fill the missing number. Okay, fill in the missing number. Or maybe we should do this first. We should solve 200 divided by half plus 10. 200 divided by half plus 10. What is the answer? 200 divided by half plus 10 is equal to what? Okay. Julie says 410. Jagan is saying 1 plus 4 equals 3 plus 4. Sorry, I don't understand what you're trying to say. So Julie is saying 14. 7 cubes saying 14. I should go. This is by far one of the best live streams on YouTube. Thank you so much for your Mehdi, you are welcome. Thank you for joining. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you so much. Take care. All right, so Tropical says 410. The hero says 410. Okay. 410 again by my friend. Everyone is saying 410. Does that mean that 410 is the answer? Does that mean that 410 is the answer? This is actually algebra. Soccer is saying 500. Soccer is saying 500. Soccer is saying 500. I have 110 by aim immortality. I have 110. Jagan is saying 105. Desire said the answer is 110. Okay. More answers, please. What do you think the answer is? 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 Okay, let's check this. Let's check this. Let's check this. I have 110 by 0, 410 by super short, 110 by Eddie. Immortality is saying 410. Sarah is saying 10. Okay. Jagan is saying plus then divide. Eddie is saying pressure on the brain. Okay. Now, let's do this. Let us do this. I need to take screenshot of to snap this first. First of all, let me snap this. Oh, so it's actually this. Okay, I've taken the screenshots, shots. Now let's do this together. Let's do this together. Remember that 200 divided by half and 200 divided by 2 are not the same thing. Both of them are different. They are different. Because when you say 200 divided by 2, that is we have 200 over 2. And your answer is 100. Okay? So when you say 200 divided by half, we are now dividing by half, not 2. So both of them cannot be the same answer. Because when you are dividing a number by a fraction, you change the fraction towards to its inverse and replace your division with multiplication. So that means that I can change division to multiplication here 200 times, but I must change this half to the inverse, which is 2 over 1. 2 over 1 plus 10. Then according to board mass or bid mass or PEMDAS, we are meant to multiply before we add. So if we multiply 200 by 2, we have 400. Then if we add 10, we have 410. So that is it. And I think for now, I'm going to stop here. Maybe I will go live doing my normal house routine because I want to cook right now. So, so if you want to see me cooking, doing my normal house chores and all, then maybe you should join my live. But I need to cut this first so that I can go and cook. All right. So I think I will go live cooking because I want to prepare one of our soup here in Nigeria. We call it oha soup. Oha soup. So that is what I will go live to do next. So look out for my notification, but that is not going to be math related. I'm not going to cook. I'm going to cook. I'm not going to solve mathematics there. All right. Because as well as being an engineer and solving maths online, I'm also a mother, I'm a wife, I have my own to keep. So maybe I'll just deviate a bit and go into my lifestyle. I should cook jollof rice. No, I did not prepare to cook that. But I'll definitely cook rice and stew tomorrow, being Sunday. All right. So thank you all. Now let me check the rank. Let me check the rank. Number 1 is Medi. Medi, thank you so much for your support. That is number 1. Who is my number 2? Number 2 is Anas. Anas, thank you so much. And who is my number 3 in the rank? Who is my number 3? My number 3 has not said anything for a while. And this is not loading. Why is not loading now? Okay, who is my number 3? Okay, number 3 is Chenzi. Maybe he has left. Maybe that is why I'm not saying that. But Chenzi number 3. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate you all, each and every one of you. See you in my next live stream. The last one is 8. Thank you, AD. Thank you, AD. Bye, guys.